So a quick tip on making sure that your ink is cured all the way, especially when you have large prints or oversized prints. We're working with a Little Buddy conveyor dryer. Our belt is about 18 inches wide. It's got a pretty wide chamber, but you do want to make absolutely sure that as your print comes through the conveyor on the edges, that it is cured all the way. The way you want to do that is with the stretch test all the way on the sides to make sure the ink is not coming apart and stays intact. So this looks really nice. If you're getting your chamber hot enough as your shirt comes through, then you will achieve a full cure a lot easier. And another tip is to not turn the heat up all the way and run the shirt through as fast as you can. You want to think of it more as very hot and very slow. Again, use the laser temp gun to make sure that you're getting the ink up over the required curing temperature. You don't want to go crazy with this. You don't want it heating up to 400 degrees. You'll have smoke billowing out of your conveyor dryer and you'll start to scorch your shirt. Consult the label on your ink to tell what the cure time is and adjust belt speed and temperature to that. I hope you find this tip of value. Again, I'm Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply. If you have any questions on getting your ink cured all the way, get in contact with us, 916-534-8377, or email us, info@NorCalSPS, and check out our website. We have some resources there, www.norcalsps.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.